Welcome back to GadgetVerse, your home for everything drones, innovation, and next-gen tech. Today, we're exploring one of the most talked-about launches in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. After weeks of leaks, teasers, and endless rumors, DJI's newest ultralight beast is finally ready to take flight. And trust me, it's worth the hype. From the moment we caught our first glimpse of this machine, the buzz was sky-high. This isn't just another upgrade, it's DJI's bold statement about how far compact drones have evolved. The Mini 5 Pro strikes that perfect balance between power, intelligence, and portability, all wrapped into a sleek design that still weighs under that magical 249-gram limit. That means no registration hassles in most regions, just unpack, power on, and take off, and the design? Absolutely premium. Sleeker, smoother, and more aerodynamic than ever, the Mini 5 Pro feels like a drone built for creators who demand both style and substance. Power it on, and you'll instantly notice how refined it feels in the air. Smoother transitions, tighter controls, and rock-solid hovering stability. DJI has upgraded its multi-directional obstacle detection system with smarter vision sensors, giving you the confidence to weave through tight spaces or glide over scenic landscapes safely. It's like the drone can think for you, keeping your shot steady and your flight path secure. Flight performance has leveled up too. Early tests show the Mini 5 Pro delivers silky smooth control, ultra-low drift, and a new twist-lock propeller system that's not only quieter but faster to set up. DJI even printed the noise rating on the underside, and early users say it's quieter than expected. That's perfect for those peaceful sunrise shoots or stealthy cinematic passes. Battery life has also taken a huge leap forward. Thanks to DJI's smarter intelligent flight management system, you get longer airtime without overheating or performance drops. Pair it with the Fly More kit, and you've got yourself hours of creative freedom. Now let's talk about the RC2 controller, possibly DJI's best yet. With a bright built-in display, there's no need to connect your phone anymore. Just power it on, link up, and fly. The tactile controls feel refined, and the interface is so intuitive that even beginners will feel like pros in minutes. And of course, the star of the show, that camera system. DJI's new generation sensor captures richer colors, better low-light performance, and cinematic detail that makes every shot pop. Whether it's mountain peaks, city skylines, or your next travel vlog, the footage has that smooth, professional DJI look we all love. Despite packing this much power, the Mini 5 Pro proudly carries the C0 label, keeping it light, compliant, and ready for takeoff almost anywhere. Combined with its whisper-quiet flight, improved endurance, and pro-level visuals, it's clear that DJI is once again redefining the mini drone market. And if rumors are true, DJI might not stop here. There's buzz about a 360-degree drone prototype with rotating panoramic lenses and next-gen obstacle sensors, hinting at where the future of aerial creativity is headed. But for now, all eyes are on the Mini 5 Pro, a drone that doesn't just fly, it inspires. So whether you're a filmmaker chasing cinematic perfection, a traveler exploring new heights, or just a tech lover ready to take off, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is built for you. That's a wrap for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because here at GadgetVerse, we're just getting started. The future of flight? It's looking brighter than ever.